Hello everyone. In this video I'd like to show you how to fix the headphone jack on Native Instruments Komplete Audio 6 audio interface. For this purpose I will use desoldering iron pump and some additional instruments. In my case this interface comes spoiled with the Coffe, and I found Coffe residues outside and on the board itself. As you can see, the process of desoldering is quite simple. Just use the heat enough desoldering pump and suck all excessive amount of solder out of the contacts. Every contact on the switch is simply to release, but the case of the switch in current situation was big enough, just it wanted some more attention and some more heat just to release it from the board. I decided to use a broken knife blade just to be sure that every contact is released, and I need only to remove the ground of the switch. As you can see, it is wobbling, and I succeeded it with some amount of attention. Now I need to clean surface underneath the switch from excessive amount of coffee and get back to the switch, clean it, refresh the contacts and solder it back. To disassemble the switch you just need to clean it first from the coffee residue and unbend 4 legs or 4 hooks underneath the switch case. This is the metal hooks which holds everything together, and as you can see I was able to release everything and slide contact board of the switch out, and I need to clean it with alcohol and cotton, and I will use the cutting knife blade just to refresh the contacts, make them work properly and reliably by removing the excessive oxidation out of the surface and cleaning with alcohol as well. Right now I'm just scrubbing and scratching excessive amount of oxidation out of the contacts. Just clean it, and now I can assemble everything back, just sliding it and assuring that the spring inside of the switch is working correctly. I need to clean it from the coffee residue as well and make the clicking switch sitting properly. Right now I'm assembling switch back by bending those hooks back to the original state, and now I am adding spring and its lock back to the baton shaft. As you can see, the cleaning and desoldering procedure is quite simple, and if you're interested in a full how-to video on tearing down the case of Komplete Audio 6 interface, you can look in the description of this video and find my Patreon page, where you will find disassembling and assembling videos. Everything there is step-by-step instructional, and you can fix your USB jack of Komplete Audio 6 or headphone jack or anything else, just watching the video and knowing how to disassemble it properly without damaging in a process. As you can see, I just added a solder on contacts, and now I just need to clean it and assemble everything back. So for the full step-by-step instructional video, you can watch my Patreon page and find the exact part you need to fix your Komplete Audio 6 audio interface. Right now the contacts clean, boards as well. Now I'm cleaning the main volume knob from the dust residue and checking the USB jack. It's alright. Thanks for attention. Have a good day.